Did you know regular people like you and me are making full-time monthly income working from home on Amazon KDP? That's right, they are leveraging the power of the most trusted and the largest e-commerce brand there is. Amazon KDP is a real income opportunity that is available to us at the moment. And given the current consumer shift towards buying online, this trend is only going to get stronger from here. One of the biggest in-demand categories of books on Amazon KDP are Sight Words activity books. This is a segment of activity books that has a passionate following that'll continue to buy from you as long as you provide premium quality. There's literally no scope for any margin of error on your part as a content creator or indie publisher when it comes to educational books. You must have the correct manuscript, each time, every time. While the market is big and the users actually stick around with a publisher when they find a quality one, it does take some time and effort for the publisher to be able to create quality content in this niche and benefit from it commercially. The KDP marketplace is consolidating, and you need to innovate and stay ahead of the curve with high-quality Sight Words books to have an edge over others. You need to be creating top-quality books that are error-free and serve a specific purpose of being aligned with the learning needs of the users. That's exactly what big publishing houses are doing on Amazon. And that's what you need to do to up your publishing game on KDP and take the big publishing houses head on. But then the big publishing houses are able to make it happen because they have a big production budget per book. They have teams on payroll, and they have strong processes to manage the workflow. How do I know this? Because I handle a creative team myself, and we create books at scale for our own Amazon KDP business. That means we do exactly what these big publishing houses do at a smaller scale. But then, most mom and pop KDP publishers do not have such resources or systems. Look, making a serious income selling Sight Words practice books on Amazon KDP is actually simple. Here's what you need to do. Create Sight Words worksheets. Put those together in a book. Publish to KDP. It's simple, but the problem is, it's not easy. There are 6 major problems that you would face when it comes to creating Sight Words practice books for Amazon KDP. Problem number 1. In order to create high-end Sight Words worksheets, you would need to be proficient in one or more design software. Problem number 2. Even if you know the design software and are proficient with it, it can take you months to create just one book, making it an unsustainable business model. Problem number 3. There is no margin for error when it comes to educational workbooks. You cannot afford to make a mistake, and that's difficult when you are a one-person business. Problem number 4. It's an expensive process. Whether you want to hire your own in-house team or you go the outsourcing route, it's going to cost you a small fortune. Problem number 5. I can tell you from first-hand experience that managing a project without solid processes when it comes to publishing work is a difficult task. Problem number 6. Scaling is impossible if you are an indie publisher. That's right. Been there. Tried that. We were convinced about the need for a solution that leveled the playing field for us and our customers. And with no real solution in sight, we decided to create our own software that would enable our users to create high-quality Sight Words activity books at scale. So at the expense of our and our team's time and thousands of dollars of our own hard-earned money, we created what is being touted as the next generation Sight Words activity worksheets builder. We are talking of the best and the only Sight Words practice worksheets creation cloud app that we know of, designed to help you create Sight Words workbooks at scale. So, are you ready to create and profit from your own Sight Words workbooks that you can sell on the Amazon KDP platform? Are you excited? Please allow me to introduce the Sight Words Worksheets Generator. Sight Words Worksheets Generator is a cloud app that helps you create high-quality Sight Words practice books in 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Select a done-for-you page layout from the modules provided inside of the app to get started in seconds. Step number 2. Customize the Sight Words activity page to your heart's content and add as many pages as you need in your book. Step number 3. Download the book and publish it. It comes loaded with features that are designed to push your productivity through the roof. Wondering what makes Sight Words Worksheets Generator different and so special? The power of the Sight Words. Worksheets Generator app lies in the fact that it helps you create books that your users will pay a premium for, and thank you for creating it. Take a look at this premium quality worksheet created in a matter of seconds using the app. Want to create something a bit different? Check this out. You can create brand new page layouts right inside of the app. Did I tell you? It takes only a couple clicks for you to introduce a new sight word to a page, even though there are multiple occurrences of the sight words on the page. The app will do all the hard work for you and create nicely formatted sight words worksheets. You get to create all this without having to spend days or weeks glued to your computer. There is nothing like the Sight Words Worksheets Generator app out there in the market that we know of, which gives you so many options when it comes to high-end sight words worksheet design resources. Just check out the page below and see all the awesome features that Sight Words Worksheets Generator comes packed with. This app is not just about giving you a tool that will help you create some sight words worksheets easily. It's a lot more than that. It's a comprehensive publishing suite that allows you to create publishing house quality sight words activity books in a way that has a profound positive impact on your KDP publishing business. This is something I have created to use in my own business, and am proud to say that once you get your hands on it, you will find it extremely difficult to not use it on a regular basis. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's because it is too good to be true. And no, it's not just us who are pumped up about this software. Take a look at what these real users and low-content publishers are saying about this app. The product is priced at a low introductory pricing at the moment, and the price will increase significantly in near future. In fact, we will eventually be selling this at monthly recurring plan very soon. However, you can get this awesome software for a small one-time fee now, and literally generate a near-instant ROI on your investment, given that you could use this very app to create multiple high-quality sight words practice activity books. That's right. No monthly fee, no hidden charges. A small one-time investment gets you the resources to create your own early education site, Words Workbooks Empire. What are you waiting for? Click on the button below and get the Sight Words Worksheets Generator. We'll see you on the inside.